Good day. This is RJ Quizon, son of Rolly Quizon and grandson of Comedy King Dolphy. Iniimbitahan ko po kayo na dumalo sa first ever John and Marcia exhibit and special loss episode screening sa Teatro Fort Santiago, Intramuros, Manila sa January 31, 2026. Ang exhibit po ay from 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. and ang screening time naman po is 1 to 6 p.m. So sa fans po ng John and Marcia, hopefully makita ko po kayo lahat. See you there!
Bakit may biyayang bisig masungit ubod ng kaya dyan, magsimikap dapat magsimikap ka kaya dyan